You let me know. You let me know who's fucking with me. No one who checking for me. No one interrupting my peace. Not one. I'm the best motherfucker that you ever did see. Who fucking with me? No one who checking for me. No one who coming for me. No one. I'm the baddest motherfucker.
Hello and welcome back. I hope you've been well. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. There's no need for the small talk. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. I ordered this wig from Amazon. It will be linked on my Amazon storefront. This is a 16-inch body wave V-part wig. And I love it. It's so quick and easy to install, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. I do want to mention that my hair is not natural anymore. It is relaxed. This V-part wig can be styled in many different ways, so before I put it in, I like to play around with my hair and just try to figure out where exactly I'm going to put this wig. I was really feeling the side part, so I'm going to show you how I style this wig to the side. First, I like to go ahead and part out where I want my actual part to be. And then I will section off a little bit of hair around the part on both sides. Once I've sectioned off my hair, I'll have a little bit of a V part where the wig will lay. To help keep the rest of my hair down and out of the way, I'm going to use this edge stick. It's a kind of like an edge control, but in a stick. It's mainly used to keep lace wigs flat, but I'm going to use it to flatten out my real hair so that it's nice and flat underneath the wig. I also sectioned off some hair on the side, but that's just a personal preference. Now, installing this wig is actually very easy. There are 5 clips total, but you only need to use the top 4. You're going to slide those combs in and then close the clip on the V part that we created and sectioned off. Once the part is actually clipped on, then you could go and add the 3 combs. I like to do the one in the back first, and then I clip my combs on the sides. You can also install the V-part wig, the actual part, as close to or as far away from your hairline as you like. If you decide to not install it as close to the hairline like I have, then you would want to leave out some extra hair around the perimeter to cover up the front of the V-part wig. Once the wig is actually installed, all the clips are in, that's when I will take the rubber band out of the little part that we sectioned off. Go ahead and repart it in the middle, and I love this flat iron. I got this from Amazon. I like to use the mini flat iron versus my full-size flat iron because it gets very hot and it helps to blend my natural hair with the wig. Also, it's really good for getting all of those little teeny tiny hairs that you want to make sure that you get so that everything blends. After my hair is straightened, I'll go in with a hard bristle brush to ensure that my real hair blends seamlessly with the wig. And this wig actually blends with my hair very well. I did not style this wig. I didn't curl it or straighten it or anything. This is the wig's natural texture. It is a body wave. So you could leave it like this. I think it looks really cute and like simple, unstyled. But I've curled it before and it also curls very beautifully. So this is pretty much it. Or you could be a little extra, because I like to be a little extra sometimes and go in and lay down some baby hairs. This is not an everyday thing, but sometimes when I feel a little bit extra or if I have a little extra time, I'll smooth out my baby hairs and style them in a cute little way. And I've actually been wearing this wig like this, like as is, for a while. But I decided to go ahead and put some layers in it because I needed something different, okay? But I didn't want to like completely cut it off. So I decided to put some nice layers in there to really frame my face and just complement my face more. And I really enjoy this wig with the layers. Anyway, that's really it, y'all. It only takes me like 10 to 15 minutes to install this wig, and even less than that to style it every day in the morning. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like it, leave down some comments in the comment section. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next video.